The new App Store Localizer is all about creating, maintaining, and automatically transferring translation packages. A translation package consists of titles, text, keywords, descriptions, promo descriptions, and so on for your apps. Everything which is required to describe your app within the Play Store and the Apple App Store. You can create new translation packages easily for each occasion. For example, Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, summertime, and of course a basic translation you would like to apply in between. I show you how you can create a translation package. Select your app, I choose iOS, and just click on the Edit Package icon. You see I already have a translation package in here. It's for my summer edition. I can edit this one or create a new one. I click on New and provide a new name. For instance, this will be my Halloween Special Edition. I choose a source language. This is required if I choose to do some automatic translation. I can also import human-based translations here, and I can also perform an initial import from the App Store. I click on Next. Now I select the languages which I like to provide. I click on Greek, Danish, select some French maybe, and some Croatian. That's sufficient. I click on Next. Now I can add my app description. I will do this in English because I selected English as source language. I can also provide some keywords if I like. If I leave a field empty, it won't be transferred and the remaining, in this case keywords, stay within the store. Something like this. I'd like to give a promo description as well. And as I explained, description and version description, I won't provide anything here. It will be as it is in the App Store. I click on Next. In the validation step, I can have a look at everything again. I can, for instance, supplement my keywords in English and so on. On the left, I can see the languages which I have chosen before. For instance, German. I click on here and I'll see the German translation. Everything is fine. In Greek, I might have a problem because the subtitle, you can see it here, is too long after the automatic translation. French as well. Yes, subtitle is too long, and I assume the same in Croatian. I can modify it now or translate again to fit in here. I'll leave it at this point for the moment. Just click on Finish. I'm warned my package is not ready for transfer yet, but I can come back anytime and continue my work. The new package is listed in here. It's still in status editing. If it would be ready, I could upload it here directly or set a scheduled task for an automatic transfer.